Hi guys, I bought this great stocking stuffer right here for any man would love it. So it is a 6-in-1 screwdriver set. Let me go ahead and open it up and show you what it looks like. So this is a keychain set here. You take it out of the package. So here you have the keychain ring, and you have two Phillips and one flathead on this end. And then the other side, you can open a beer while you're out in your shop. You can also use this on a little nut, and there's also one on this side. I'm going to go ahead and put it on the ring so then you can see what it looks like as a key ring. All right, I got it all on the key ring. It's going to look great on my keys. This would be a great stocking stuffer for anybody because you never know when you might need a screwdriver to do something with, and it's right here handy with your keys. So go ahead and buy this Christmas. They're going to love it.